Adani stock nosedives cost $120 billion, half of group's value since Hindenburg report. The brutal stock rout in Gautam Adani's companies continued Friday, an indication that the billionaire needs to do more to restore confidence in his conglomerate's financial health after accusations of fraud by Hindenburg Research. The group's 10 stocks all fell in early Mumbai trading, with $120 billion or more than half of their combined value raised since the US-based short sellers last week claimed that offshore shell entities were used to inflate Adani Group's revenues and manipulate stock prices. Flagship Adani Enterprises Limited sank as much as 25%, taking its decline to 66% in 7 trading sessions. The continued slump reflects worries about Adani's success to funding after the tycoon scrapped a key stock offering this week, and as long held concerns about the group's debt load were propelled onto the global stage by Hindenburg. The embattled tycoon is in talks with creditors to prepay some loans backed by pledge shares as some banks stopped accepting the securities of the group that spans from ports to energy as collateral in client traders. Clearing of pledges may not help. Now the only point is investors are not just interested in clearing pledges. They want concrete plans and actions, said Sameera Karla, founder of Target Investing in Mumbai. The use of every rupee on balance sheet is critical now. There are a lot of stakeholders. The crisis of confidence in Adani has become a national issue, with opposition lawmakers disrupting parliament on Thursday to demand answers from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government. Given how closely his interests are intertwined with the nation's growth plans, government officials have sought to downplay the impact. Hindenburg Research last week accused the Adani Group of brazen market manipulation and accounting fraud, claiming that a web of Adani family-controlled offshore shell entities in tax havens were used to facilitate corruption, money laundering, and taxpayer theft. The conglomerate has repeatedly denied the allegations, called the report bogus, and threatened legal action. Adani gave a video speech on Thursday stating that the group's balance sheet is healthy. In a reprieve for Adani, who has seen his personal fortune drop by $58 billion since the allegations, the group's bond rallied Friday after Goldman Sachs Group Inc. and JP Morgan Chase & Co. told some clients that the debt can offer value due to the strength of certain assets. All $15 debt securities advanced, partly held by news that Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited has made a coupon payment on schedule. Meanwhile, banks have been tightening scrutiny on Adani company securities. Units of Credit Suisse Group AG and Citigroup Inc. earlier this week stopped accepting some securities issued by Adani's companies as collateral for margin loans to wealthy clients. For different news, please subscribe EyeNews365 and click on all notification bell to get every news instantly to get yourself updated.